Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use all the amazing features of CapCut Pro for free. So, let's dive right in. To demonstrate that this hack works with the latest version of CapCut, I will first update the application to the latest version, which is version 6.5.0 at the time of making this video. I'm going to use an old video project of mine. I created this video using an earlier version of CapCut, where most features were free. Let me quickly relink the video clips to ensure that all the media files are properly connected. Now that this step is done, I've noticed that in this version, I can no longer export my videos without incurring significant costs. I'll show you a workaround for this restriction to make the most of CapCut Pro without breaking the bank. I found this hack on Reddit, posted by a user named Stay Dangerous. So all credit goes to him for sharing this valuable tip. First, close the export dialog. Once that's done, select all materials, including clips and any other elements in your project, by pressing Ctrl+A. This will ensure that everything you need is highlighted and ready for the next steps. Next, right-click on the selected items and choose Create Compound Clip, subproject from the context menu. This action will create a compound clip, which allows you to group all your selected elements into a single clip. Once the compound clip is created and selected, go back to the context menu and choose Preprocess Compound Clip. Since I'm using a virtual machine, this step may take a bit longer than usual. However, on your machine, it should be much faster. Just be patient as the preprocessing completes, and we'll be ready to move on. On the right-hand side, you'll see the path to where the project files are located. Now, open Windows Explorer and navigate to that directory. Navigate through the project subfolders one by one until you find the folder called Resources. Inside the Resources folder, you'll find another folder called Combination. This folder holds the files related to the compound clips we've created. Depending on the size of the compound clip and the speed of your computer, this process may take some time, so be patient. Once the video has finished processing, you can open it up in your preferred video player to review the result.
Downloading torrents to your Android phone is a simple task.
Nicely
if you
done.
know how to
With
do
this
it.
method, there's no need to waste
service.
money today. Keep in mind that the quality of the result may be slightly deteriorated compared to a regular export. If you need high-quality output, I do not recommend this workaround. Instead, consider using an older version of CapCut that doesn't come with the Pro features limitations. I made various videos how to get an older version of CapCut and also how to use an project in an older CapCut version. Make sure to check out my YouTube channel. With that said, thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one.
Give us your thoughts when it went wrong.
Rob's a motherfucker.